Hey there, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can create such premium looking 3D kind of website similar to what Apple does while launching their products. In this video I'll show you how we can build such things from scratch using AI in a very short time frame. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, we need to have the start image and the end image. This is the start image and this is the end image. Right, so we need to generate these two images using AI. So for generating the image, I'll be using ChatGPT. So let's do that. And I have already prepared the prompt to generate an image. So let me use that. We have start and end image prompt, and let's use this prompt first. Let me paste that in and submit. And it will take some time to create the image. So let's wait for a while. Got generated, which is looking really beautiful, and let's create another image which will be the end image. So let me use another prompt. We have the end image prompt, so let me copy this and then paste over here. Okay, and then submit it, and let's wait for a while. Okay, the second image also got generated, which is looking really amazing. And now let's download these two images first. Let me open that up and let's download this first image, and let's download this second image as well. Okay, those two images got downloaded. Now based on these two images, we need to generate the video, right? So to generate the video, I'll be using DaVinci. And over here you can see the tools in the video section. We need to paste the start image and the end image. So let's upload those two images. Okay, let's upload the first image over here for the start image. Let's use that image, and for the end image, let me upload another image, and let's use this as an end image. And to create the animated effect, I have the prompt for that as well. So let's use that prompt. So video generation, and let me copy that. Let's go over here and then paste that in and click on generate. Before clicking on generate, make sure you are selecting 16:9 5 second 480, and make sure to turn off the sound, as we don't need that, right? And it will generate this video, and we need to download that generated video. Let's download that, and let's enhance the video quality of the downloaded video. So for that, I'll be using Vmake.ai. Let me upload that video, and then it will start uploading. For this, we are choosing fast over here, and the resolution is 2K, and it is processing, and after it is finished, we'll be downloading that video. Okay, this is done, and let's download that 5-second video. This is the video that got generated, so let me play that, and it is looking really great, right? And this is awesome. And to use this on our website while scrolling, we need to convert this video into multiple images so that we can show each different frame on the 2D canvas while scrolling the page. So first of all, we need to convert this video into multiple images. So let's do that. And to convert that video into images, we'll be using this website, and let's upload that video. Let's use that, and we need to upload that video first. And after uploading that video, we'll be converting that video into multiple images. Okay, this got uploaded, and over here we'll be choosing the frame rate is 30, and then we'll convert that into JPG, and we will download that as zip. Okay, now it is saying that you can download the zip file. Let's download that zip file, and that got downloaded. Now let's open VS Code over here, and I have created index.html file and the assets folder. So inside that assets folder, we need to put that downloaded image. Here we have the downloaded zip for the images. So let me extract that, and let me put this over here. Okay, we have this folder. Let's move this inside a project. Yep. Now, okay, now let's change this folder name to assets so that it will be easy to use. And we have this empty index.html file, and inside assets we have different images, right, of different frames. You can see that, and it is starting from 0001 and ending to 147. To create the landing page for our website, we'll be using another prompt, and to generate that we'll be using Gemini. So for the website prompt, let me copy this prompt from here, and let me go to Gemini and paste that in. Let me click on submit, and it will create the final index.html file, which consists of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and GSAP animation library, and the required code for our landing page, so that we'll be using that. Got generated, so we can simply copy that code, open VS Code, and inside of index.html we'll paste that in. And finally, we'll be running this project in our browser using localhost. So for that, let me use PHP serve 8 localhost port 4000. Now let's go over here, and if we go to localhost port 4000 and refresh the page, then we see this beautiful landing page. And if I keep scrolling, we see that 3D animation, right, which is looking really great. So this much for this video. I hope you learned something from this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, as I'll be uploading videos like this. So till then, have a great time, and I will see you in the next one.